Welcome to Richie's Pilot Tips. Part 3 is clothing. And section 1 we're going to look at general apparel. Our objective here is to wear items in the cockpit that are practical, comfortable and safe. And we're going to do some close-ups on the kind of things I like to wear when I fly. So this is the kind of thing you're going to see me wear when I'm off to go flying. I like to wear a cap, keeps the hair out of my eyes. If it's cold, you might want to wear a toque. Also wear gloves. I like these mechanics gloves. They keep the chill off of my fingers, but they're also dexterous enough that I can use all the controls inside the machine, including the radio. And your mobile phone you can use through these gloves. Okay, next we come to the jacket. This is our Cfc Big Waterproof Jacket. Comes with a hood. Super comfortable. It's going to keep the water off you. So now we're down to underneath the jacket, and I've got my fleece jacket on. Comfortable around the neck. It's going to keep me really warm, especially when you're up at altitude. It tends to get cooler. So underneath the fleece jacket, we've got the shirt. Now I love a shirt with a top left pocket. I keep my pen in it. I keep my sunglasses in it, and I keep my notepad in it. I can find all my items without having to look for them. Underneath the shirt, on cold days, I'm going to wear a thermal long sleeve shirt. So now we're down to the pants. These are heavy duty, military style. They offer some flame resistant qualities, loads of pockets. I'm super into pockets. You might also notice I'm into black. It doesn't show up the dirt that's often associated with general aviation. So underneath my pants, when the temperatures start getting below zero, I like to wear these thermal leggings. I've also got some really good quality thick wool socks. Then down to the boots. Now, loads of different styles of boots. These are leather Timberlands. They're pretty heavy duty, they're waterproof, but most importantly, they're flexible, so I can use the brakes and the rudders and really have control of my machine. There you go.